Okay, we have a 1996 Ford f250 Power Stroke diesel. The complaint is they have no brakes. Usually here, during the vacuum check valve, you would get vacuum while the vehicle's running. Now, this being a diesel, a lot of people don't know, they do not provide their own manifold vacuum, so they have an external vacuum pump. It's either electronically controlled or like this model here, it's run by a belt. It's right down here. Pull the belt aside, pull it off like that. And I've already started some of these bolts so I can make this a lot easier. It's just two hands. As you can see, this is the vacuum pump here. This is the supply line that goes to your vacuum switch down here and goes to your power booster. So after disconnecting those three bolts in the belt, you got one last bolt here. The whole thing's just going to drop away. And we'll pull right outside the vehicle. So, this way we look good. The road up, then go this way. Something's hanging us up here. Let's see what happened. And there's our culprit right there. Looks like we had a rear bearing failure, shattered the housing, and broke the shaft. There you go. Diagnosing a bad vacuum supply and hard brakes on a Ford F250 Super Stroke. Reverse removal to install. And as you can see, we have the rest of our bearing material here. If you like these videos and you want me to put more out, like and subscribe.